Hi everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, subtree of another tree. So you are given roots of binary tree, root and subroot. Return true if there is a subtree of root with the same substructure and the node values of subroot, and false otherwise. A subtree of binary tree is a tree that consists of a node in tree and all of these nodes descendants. And the tree could also be considered as a subtree of itself. So let's see the example. You are given like a 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and the subtree is 4, 1, 2. So in this case, we should return true because this subtree is the same structure as this subtree. So from 4, so left node is 1 and the right node is 2, so exact same. So that's why output is true in this case. Okay, so to solve this question, so actually we can use the same idea as the same tree I solved a few months ago. So I put the link the description below, so you can check later. So basically, we traverse both tree at the same time. So we start from root node 3 and 4, but values are different. So move left and we find 4, and subroot is 4, so they are same. So start traversing at the same time. So when we go left, so we have 1, and the subroot has also 1, so that's true. And then there's no node from the node 1. So then move right. So move right, we find 2, and the subroot also has 2. So yeah, and then we traverse all nodes subroot, and so that's why in this case we should return true. And edge case is that so what if root tree is null and subroot has some node? In that case, we cannot traverse a root node, so in that case we should return false. And on the other hand, root has some nodes, and subroot doesn't have any node. So in that case, we should return true. Yeah, and yeah, that is a basic idea to solve this question. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, check the edge case. As I told you, if not sub root, in the case return true, and if not root, return false. They are edge case. And if is same tree, so we create a same tree function later, and root and subroot. So if they are same, return true. And then after that, so actually we have to start like a all place, so to check the like a subtree. So that's why return self dot is subtree root dot left and subroot, or self dot is sub tree root dot right, and then subroot. Okay, so let's write the is same tree. So I create a inner function is same tree and root and subroot. So actually this inner function is exact same as subtree. So in the description below. First of all, check if not root and subroot are not subroot. In that case, we reach the end of a tree. In that case, return true. Then if root and subroot, so they have like a node, and root dot bar equal subroot dot bar. So root bar equal subroot bar. In that case, we move next node. So is same tree, and then as I told you, traverse at the same time. So root dot left and subroot dot left, and end is same tree, root dot right and subroot dot right. If not the case, we don't find the same subtree, so that's why we should return false. Yeah, I think that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of size of root 3 multiply size of subroot 3, because we have to traverse all nodes in the root tree, and then also we traverse all nodes in subtree from all nodes in root 3. So that's why time complexity should be size of root 3 multiply size of subroot 3. Yeah, so let me summarize step-by-step algorithm. This is a step-by-step algorithm of subtree of another tree. Step 1, if subroot is null, return true. If not root, so root 3 is null, return false. Step 2, in inner function, if not root and not subtree, then return true. Step 2, if root and subroot has a node and they are the same value, then move left and move right of both tree. Step 3, if we don't find the same subtree, then return false. Step 3, we have to start every node to find the same subtree, so move left or move right. Yeah, actually that's it. I hope this video helps you understand this question well. If you like it, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.